In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use WhatsApp Meta AI Photo Touch-Up feature. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp. Make sure you have already logged in. Now head over to the chat section. Once you're over here, you're going to find this Meta icon at the bottom right. Click on that. Now you can make changes to your picture from here. First, click on this plus option. Now select the option of your choice. Upload the picture, or you can capture it. Once you upload it, now you'll need to provide the instructions. You can ask Meta AI to smooth the skin, improve lighting, enhance colors, remove blemishes, or make other adjustments using natural language prompts. Once you have typed in the instructions, you can send it. The AI will process the request and generate an updated version of the photo based on the instructions you provided. This makes it easy to perform quick photo touch-ups without needing a separate editing app. That's all there is to it. Using Meta AI in WhatsApp can be a convenient way to enhance your photos with just a few taps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.